Hello guys, now I want to show you how to insert the included battery for BOYA BY-M1 lavalier mic. This is all I have inside the pouch. Actually, this is a very long cable. Stop there. This is the battery. I wonder if you can see the model number there. LR44. So if you want to find a replacement, find LR44 button cell. Also, take note on the polarity. This is the positive side, so this is the negative side. Now, take this module. You can see there's a ribbon here. Make sure you set it this way. As you can see, the polarity is not like what normally does, which is the spring side normally is on negative, but here just follow this marking. That's gonna be where the positive side is. So place the ribbon as such and just push it in. This is so that next time you want to replace the battery, just pull the ribbon out and there you go. Okay. Okay, now we secure everything back. Slightly tight there. Okay. Thank you for watching.